In this video lesson, I will show you what is a Pip value calculator for the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. You will see a link below in the description how to use this Pip value calculator, and also you will find an article that explains all the details how the Pip value calculator works, and also what are the formula to calculate the Pip value for the base currency, for example for the quote currency or any other currencies. And also below that you will have an example how to calculate the Pip profits for a certain number of pips with this Pip value calculator. So let me show you the Pip value calculator fields so you can understand which fields are for what, and also how to use that by using an example on the trading platform. In the first field, which is called pips, you need to enter the number of pips. I will leave this one because I would like to calculate the value for 1 pip. Then you select the instrument. In my case, I have put here New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen, but you have also a drop-down menu that you can select any other currency symbol. Then you have here a units, which is a field where you enter the lot size. The lot size can be in lots, for example this I will put 1, or you can also change that into the units. So in the Forex pairs, 1 lot is equal to 100,000 units. Then you have here a deposit currency. I have put US dollar, and that represents a currency that you have on your trading platform, on your trading account. Inside the trading platform you can see that I have US dollar as a deposit currency, so I would like to calculate a pip value in my currency. Then you have here a New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, 1 pip size, which means at which decimal point is the pip. You can see it is on the 2nd decimal point, so when you go to the trading platform and you can see the market price, you can see that it has 3 decimal point, where the 3rd decimal point is number of pipettes. The 2nd decimal point is the number of pips. And then you have USD Japanese yen price, which is additional currency pair price to calculate the pip value in US dollar. And that is needed because inside New Zealand dollar Japanese yen there is no US dollar currency, so I need additional currency pair price to calculate the pip value in US dollars, because that is my deposit currency. And then when you click calculate, it says 6.87. So this is automatically calculated, but if you would like to check how this calculation is made, you can also check the article below. Now let me show you an example with this trading currency pair. I will put volume to 1 because I would like to check that with a lot size 1 or 100,000 units. Click sell by the market and the new order will open. Here you can see 1.8, which is 12.37. So if I put 1.8, which is the number of pips, I will get the same value here. So this means that you can use a pip value calculator to check also the value of a number of pips. So you can see the pip value calculator helps you also to define how much the number of pips will be equal in your deposit currency. If I, for example, change this trading order and set here a stop loss and take profit with 10 pips, you will see that I will have 7.7 pips, which will be equal to 52.93. When I put this one here, I get 52.93, the same value that I have in the trading platform, which means that you can use the pip value calculator to calculate the take profit and the stop loss before opening an order. So you can see is the number of pips in the deposit currency, which is US dollar, is okay or not. So if this take profit or stop loss is too high, you can simply change the number of pips, or you can change the lot size. So this is how you can calculate everything, your risk and also the profit before opening an order. This pip value calculator helps you to calculate all what is needed before opening order, instead going to trading platform, open order, set take profit and stop loss, and then seeing oh that's too much or too low. So this is the pip value calculator for the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, and you can see how it can be helpful. If you have any questions regarding this pip value calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to get your answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!